Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video. It is Monday, June 1st. Yesterday we were in Jackson, Wyoming. We got a bunch of chores done. The reason I did not film it, I was planning on it, was it was a pretty chaotic day. We didn't have any service over the past weekend, and then we got service yesterday driving into Jackson. Found out about everything going on in the world, all the riots, protesting, and all that stuff. And then there were protests in Jackson, Wyoming. So we had a bunch of stuff to get done. So we just flew through that so we could get out of town and back into the forest. So we are in the Grand Tetons, and it is amazing. It is so beautiful. So last night we met up with Natalie and Sam, so I'm going to do a quick tour of their van and introduce you guys to them. They're awesome, from Florida, and super cool girls, so I'm going to show you guys our van.
Hi, my name is Natalie. I have a 2018 250 Transit, 50,000 miles. I bought it about 2 weeks ago, so this is pretty freaking new to me. I lost my brother in Afghanistan, and it really propelled me to live a life that I want to live. So I twice now have kind of gone off grid and just like lived out of a suitcase, and this time I finally decided to get a home. And so I in the matter of a day, I sold my car, I got rid of my apartment, and here I am with Bitchin' Betty. Right, so first when you walk in, I have a bathroom, which is so key because a lot of vans don't have this, or they do, but you have an outside area, usually an outside shower, maybe a compost toilet. This is actually a vacuum sealed toilet, so you do your deed and it sucks it up and twists it in a little vacuum ball and puts it to the side, and no smell, so it's pretty great. Also, this is awesome because nobody really wants to see the toilet while they are in the kitchen. We have a microwave, just a little electric burner, fridge down here. We have a coffee maker, but we're turning this into an espresso because an espresso is the best, let's be real. We have the bed. I actually have an AC unit, which is pretty rad. Not a lot of storage, which kind of sucks, but I have two big plastic bins down here. One I can pull from this side, and the other I'll be able to pull from the back.
And a TV.
TV, which is pretty darn rad. Two generators. I think I have like around 1,100 on my usage. This is my starter van. Somebody did convert it. But in about a year I'll probably get rid of this baby, and I'd like to build out my own. So my Instagram, I have 3. The first is Diary of an Overweight Suitcase, which is my main account. Bitchin.Betty is going to be the Vans account, and I have one for a nonprofit that I started, which I will eventually be working more with, but I work with adaptive veterans. That's kind of the whole goal of Bitchin' Betty, is that we're going to be traveling around the country and help do fundraisers that are going to help promote well-being through veterans, and help people with PTSD and anxiety and substance abuse and depression. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you guys on the road and hopefully seeing Hannah again. Thanks for checking out my van.
Bye, you guys!
Bye!
Alright, we had a lot of fun. They are hitting the road off on their travels, and me and my mom, we're gonna go hiking.
Yes!
We unfortunately cannot make it into the Tetons to go hike up in there, but I mean, this view is pretty damn good. We just got done from a little nice hike. How far did we go?
3.46 miles.
3.46 miles, and we're gonna whip up some salad. We have not been eating the best, to say the least, but
I have a beer belly.
Gonna be eating more veggies today. So we left our spot in the Tetons this morning. Today we are driving up through Yellowstone. We're gonna get close to Bozeman and then hang out there for a few days. Drive up all the way to Bozeman on Thursday, and my mom flies out Friday. Really sad that she's gonna be leaving, but yeah, so look at Yellowstone, you guys. It's insane. We got to our home for the night. I'm about to whip up some dinner. It's like 4 o'clock. We're having an early dinner because we literally haven't eaten all day. But it is so beautiful. I wish I had my drone with me. It's still broken, but I hope this does some justice for it because it's just way too beautiful.